Hello friends, welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about how you can convert a wired camera into a wireless camera. Let's assume that your customer has two factories, Factory 1 and Factory 2 at two different locations. And customer wants to install CCTV cameras at these two factories and wants to view these two factories CCTV camera at his headquarter office. But the problem is that there is no existing network infrastructure available amongst these factories and headquarter office. And the other problem is that optical fiber can't be laid amongst these factories and headquarter office due to some reason. Now, how we can solve this issue? This issue can be solved by using the wireless access points at all locations so that the CCTV data can be transferred from these factories to the headquarter office. But before using the wireless solution, we must ensure that there is clear line of sight between this location and there should be no interference to the wireless signal. Now, what we can do is that we will install a wireless access point transmitter at the roof of the factory 1 and factory 2 or at a location where we can get a clear line of sight to our headquarter office wireless access point receiver. Now, we will connect this wireless access point transmitter to a PoE switch where all the CCTV cameras are connected or networked. Now, video from this CCTV camera will be transferred to this wireless access point transmitter via network switch, and then this wireless access point transmitter converts this signal into RF signal, which is then received by wireless access point receiver installed at the headquarter office as shown in the image. Now, wireless access point receiver sends this received wireless signal to a network switch where our NVR or CCTV workstation is connected. Hence, by using this technology, our customer can view the live video or can play back the recorded video of different remote location factories. But we must keep in our mind that the selected wireless access point should be capable of handling the bandwidth required by the CCTV system.